Hello.
Hello, Rose. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great.
Good. What's your name?
My name is Ramzan.
Ramzan. Nice to meet you. Where are you from,
Nice.
Ramzan?
I am from India.
India. Okay, whereabouts?
It is the northern part of India, that is Kashmir.
Kashmir. Okay, yeah, I've heard of it before. That's great.
Yes.
So, how long have you been learning English for?
Actually, I'm continuously practicing here from last 1 month.
Mm-hmm.
And before that, I was just reading and watching YouTube videos. So, yeah, these are the things which I was trying to do.
Yeah,
So now I am feeling more confident while
that's
speaking.
that's great. And is there a reason you want to learn English? Is it for a job or for your studies or just as a hobby?
Actually, I am working as a software developer, so I do freelancing and I have my clients in outside my country.
Ah,
So
okay.
they have the only option to communicate with me in English. So that's why
Yeah,
I have to become more accurate in terms of communication, in terms of writing skills. So these are
yeah.
the things I am practicing here. These are the reasons.
Yeah, and where are your clients from? Which countries are they from?
Those are from Australia, Europe, US.
Everywhere. That's great.
Yes, yes. I am available for them. Uh, uh, I mean, I am working for everywhere.
What, so you're available 24 hours a day?
Yes, I have some sleeping time.
Well, yeah, that's
But
good.
yes, but other than that, someone can message me and definitely I will have to reply them. So accordingly, I take the task, complete that task, and then continue in that way.
That's great. Well, seeing as this is our first time talking to each other, Ramzan, I want to ask you, what is your personality like? How would you describe your personality?
My personality is like I am interested to live alone and try to mm, think more about myself, that what are the aspects which I need to improve, and I don't want to compare myself with any other person.
That's really good. So you're very independent then by the sound of things. Very independent.
Yes,
Yeah, and very set like want to improve yourself all the time.
yes, yes, of course. And actually, I disconnected myself from other people in the starting of this 2021,
Did
because
you?
yes, I had a lot of distractions because of them. So that's why I mostly connected with the people who are like-minded and they are online, right? Online,
Yeah.
yes.
Ah, okay. So who are the people that you disconnected with? Just friends, colleagues?
Those who were not able to understand me.
Right, okay.
Because in that way they were just arguing with me that I am not going towards the success. So I need to prove them that what are the things which I am trying to perform, and because of those I will be successful in my life. So
Right.
actually they don't have that type of knowledge which I have. I mean, the things which I am doing, these are little different from their jobs. So that's why it's hard for me to understand them, that what I am doing and how it is powerful.
Yeah, okay. That's interesting. So did you just decide in 2021, that's it? I am just focusing on, myself and progressing?
Yes, I have just given myself only 1 year, that I will be trying my best and achieve everything in my life in this year.
Oh my gosh. So what else do you want to achieve?
Actually, I wanted to become financially free. So,
Hmm.
accordingly, I divided the tasks and I am doing hard work.
Yeah.
And I have the only option. I am doing the things like the whole day I work, and only take the time for my, eating time
Yeah.
and some sleeping time. Other than that, I don't go outside. So this is the schedule which I have tried to create. And I have in front of me, I have a whiteboard,
Yeah.
onto which I have mentioned all the tasks which I have to finish each day.
Wow.
So yeah, in that way, I am becoming more productive.
And do you finish them each day? Do you normally get everything completed?
Yes, in most of the cases, I finish the things, but I do coding. So in some cases, there are some hard issues in which it those takes at least 2 days, maybe one day. So accordingly, it depends on the specific problem.
Yeah, so it might stay on the whiteboard for a couple of days,
Yes.
but then you've got to do it. Okay. So what about friends and family? You are just committing to 1 year and not spending much time with friends and family?
Yes, yes.
And what do your family think? What do they say?
They are okay with me. I mean, they are thinking that I am doing the progress, so that's good. So yeah, they are satisfied from my opinion.
Yeah, it's probably quite amazing for a parent to see their child very committed and very passionate to succeed, I suppose. You probably,
Yes,
when you are a parent, you think you pat yourself on the shoulder and you say, I've done a good job.
yes. And what about you? You are having any other profession, or you are only teaching?
Yes, I'm teaching at the moment because of the pandemic. But before this, I was actually traveling around New Zealand. So me and my partner, we went to New Zealand together, and we decided before this, we were very focused on our careers and, getting far in our jobs, which we did. And then maybe 2 years ago, we said, okay, I want to have a career break and just go and do something fun and for us. So we went to New Zealand and we were picking kiwi fruit and cherries from the tree and, earning money each month and then going to see a new place and then earning a bit more money and going to see a new place. And then unfortunately, because of coronavirus, we came back maybe 1 month early last year. And then since then, I've just been teaching on Cambly. And then I've started applying for jobs back in my career in communications again. But I've had maybe 18 months break and it's been amazing.
Yes, yes, that is too much. 18 months are too long time.
Yeah, well, maybe after this year, you might decide I need 18 months break now or 12 months.
Yes. So you got married with that partner or not yet?
No, not yet. Just boyfriend and girlfriend.
Okay. So, is there any difference in that? For
Um,
example, you are already living with your partner. So what does
yeah,
it mean?
yeah.
There will not be any. Yes.
The only difference I think is to friends and family. Like you commit and have the big wedding, maybe, or the normal size wedding. But other than that, it's really the same. I think if you commit to someone, you've been with them a long time. You live together. Sometimes a house is a bigger commitment than getting married financially. What about you? What do you think about marriage? And do you have your own house?
Yes. No, we are about to build a new house, but we don't have that type of culture.
Yeah.
They are not allowing us to even talk with any unknown girl.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yes, it's different, isn't it? Different cultures. But yeah, would you like to get married one day?
Yes, I committed that after this completing this year, 2021,
Yeah,
maybe it is a possibility.
2022. Yeah. A
2021,
goal
yes.
a goal for each year. So this year is financial. Next year is
Yes,
maybe romance and love. I like it. It's a good idea.
yes. So
I'm sure you
accordingly,
will
I'm working.
I'm sure you will be very successful this year anyway. You sound very driven and committed. You heard that
Yes,
word,
yes.
driven.
Yes.
Well, I think
Okay,
we're about
thank
to
you
run
so
out of
much.
time. Yeah, nice to speak to you and good luck.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Ramzan.